Did you know that you can create unlimited AI videos from one photo without using credits or expensive online tools? In this video, I will show you step by step how to do that. Welcome back. I'm Gabrielle, and I share tips on how to make money online. Most AI tools charge you credits for every video you create, and it gets expensive very fast. But with HeyGen, you can create as many as you want and videos as long as 30 minutes. On my previous video about AI clones, I showed you how to create unlimited long-form videos using HeyGen. Today, I am showing you how to do the same, but using a photograph. You can use a real photograph or even an AI-generated image. I created an AI picture of myself using Kling AI, and now I am going to use it to create a long-form video in HeyGen. You can sign up for HeyGen using my link in the description or try it for free without a credit card. I also created a free book called The AI Blueprint, which shows you the best tips and tools to clone yourself using AI. You can download it and join the waitlist for my Clone Yourself to Freedom training. To get started, you go to Avatars, and if you haven't created one, just follow the prompts. But if you have, you will use that same avatar and just create a new look. I only want to create videos of myself, so I will use my previous video avatar and use this picture as a new look. Next, you upload the picture. It must show your face well as recommended here. Once it's ready, it will appear within the look of your avatar. Roll over it, and you will choose Create a Video with this avatar. Next, you add your script or upload your audio. Since my avatar already has a voice, I will use a script and then choose a voice. There are several AI voice engines available that you can try, which is great. I like Fish and Starfish because they are more expressive and natural. You can also adjust the speed, volume, and accent. And very important, choose the motion engine Avatar 3 for unlimited usage. Avatar 4 does use credits, so you will run out of credits fast with that one and pay an additional fee to your monthly HeyGen fee, and we don't want that. We want to create unlimited videos. And in the advanced settings, you can even choose if you only want lip sync or full body motion for your video. You can even remove the background, but I am happy with the one I have. Next, you can preview it. I like that here you can preview the audio or even regenerate it if you don't like it. This video can be up to 30 minutes long, but for best results, divide it into 2 to 3 minute scenes. The preview will not show the lip sync, but you can check how it looks and sounds. Once you're happy with it, click Generate. After a few minutes, you can check the results and even make changes and generate the video again. No more worrying about running out of credits if you need to make changes. You can create the video again and again until it is perfect. And yes, this video was 100% generated using HeyGen and edited with Descript, the easiest text-based video editor. You can try both for free using the links in the description, plus my free book, The AI Blueprint. HeyGen is only $29 per month at the time of this recording, which is the best price out there for creating unlimited videos. Remember to sign up using my link in the description, and don't forget to download the free book, The AI Blueprint, for more useful tips. If you like this kind of content and want to learn how to make money online so that you can have time to enjoy your family, please like and subscribe. And to learn how to use HeyGen for unlimited AI videos from a real video of yourself, watch the next video.